What is a full-arch hybrid prosthesis? A dental prosthesis can restore missing teeth and the smile. They can be detachable or placed in your mouth permanently. They include implants, crowns, bridges, dentures, and veneers. At Think Oral Implants and Periodontics, you can find the best alternative for your dental needs. There are different types of prostheses such as dental implants, full-arch fixed hybrid prostheses, and overdentures. What are dental implants? A dental implant is a tiny post that replaces the tooth's root. The top of the dental implant is fitted with or has an abutment built into it, which joins it to the prosthetic tooth. The dental implant is completed by a crown, a substitute tooth that is made specifically to match your original teeth. For those who require a full mouth reconstruction due to tooth loss, a congenital problem, or an accident, the full-arch hybrid prosthesis offers a straightforward, long-lasting option. Full-mouth dental implant restorations are a specialty of our board-certified doctors. Full-arch hybrid prosthesis provides a special procedure that skillfully combines expert care with outstanding technology and creativity to restore comfort and complete dental function. The effective therapies of the full-arch hybrid prosthesis drastically improve our patients' appearance, self-esteem, and quality of life. Here at Think Oral Implants and Periodontics, we offer long-lasting full-arch hybrid prostheses that may solve your dental problems. Every prosthesis is crafted and made with the highest technology that ensures long-lasting benefits to our patients. A wide range of dental issues can be resolved permanently and affordably, and best of all, you'll never go without teeth. Therefore, if you're tired of treating the same teeth repeatedly or caught in a never-ending cycle of root canals, crowns, or bridge work, a full-arch hybrid prosthesis can end your dental issues. And if it's a full-arch hybrid prosthesis, a patient who has a full-arch hybrid prosthesis receives a brand new set of white teeth by completely replacing both their upper and lower teeth. A fresh set of healthy teeth can significantly boost a patient's self-confidence, in addition to boosting their overall health. By having this, you can now confidently smile and laugh out loud. With a hybrid prosthesis, a patient's mouth can function just as it did before they lost all of their teeth. Patients may chew even the toughest foods, and they can gain confidence by speaking more clearly. Our genuine hybrid dentures have an authentic tooth-like feel. It will make you feel like you have not lost your teeth. The hybrid prosthesis we make are simple to repair and durable. Additionally, patients with implants merely need to brush and floss, exactly like they would have done with their original teeth, as opposed to individuals with traditional dentures, who would have to remove and clean their dentured teeth. Since anchored to the jaw, these implants help maintain a healthy and active jaw. Full-arch hybrid prostheses primarily help to slow down jawbone loss and gingival recession, and by enhancing normal jaw function and stimulating the facial muscles, may make patients appear younger for longer. Thanks for joining us on this journey to healthier smiles and brighter lives here at Ask Dr. Ting. If you've enjoyed diving into the world of dental health and wellness with us, there's more goodness where that came from. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss a single dose of toothsome tips, expert advice, and a sprinkle of laughter. We're all about making dental care a breeze and helping you flaunt those pearly whites with confidence. Got a question about oral hygiene, curious about the latest dental breakthroughs, or just looking for some smiles to brighten your day? Drop your thoughts and queries in the comments below. Our team of dental wizards is ready to dive in and provide you with the knowledge you seek. Remember, sharing is caring. If you know someone who's in need of some dental wisdom, don't keep us a secret. Spread the love and share our videos with your friends, family, and anyone else who wants to level up their dental game. Your smiles are our fuel, and we're thrilled to be a part of your journey towards dental wellness. Let's keep the conversation going, the smiles glowing, and the community thriving. Until next time, keep brushing, flossing, and spreading those smiles.